For the 7th Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Mahotsav 2025, amongst us the former chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India, Dr. Anil Kakodkar, Dr. Kiran Kumar, the former chairman of the ISRO, chairman of advisory committee of the Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Mahotsav, Sri Jose Manuel Narona, Secretary for the Science and Technology Waste Management, Sri Parimal Abhishek, Director CSIR National Institute of Oceanography, Sunil Singhs, and the awardee of the Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Mahotsav, Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishnan. Eminent scientists and distinguished speakers, they engaging with the students across the state today. म्हणजे समेस्त गोंयकार आनी गोंयच्या साबार तरणाट्यांक येवकार. आमी पळयता की गोंय हें अशें राज्य आसतलें ज्या जाग्याचेर 19 सायंटिस्ट 18 जाग्याचेर एट अ टायम एकाच दिसा इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात आमी मनोहर पर्रीकर विज्ञान महोत्सव सेलिब्रेट करता. ही संद तुमकां बाकी खंयच्याच राज्यांत अशा पद्दतीत पळोवपाक मेळची ना. म्हाका सांगता आसतनाय बी खूब खोस भोगता मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्या यादेंत सुरू केल्लो हो मनोहर पर्रीकर विज्ञान महोत्सव गोंय राज्या खातीर तितकोच खाशेलो आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या प्रत्येक तरणाट्यान हाजो फायदो घेवचो आनी म्हणून तर हांव दर ह्या कार्यक्रमाक फाटलीं 7 वर्सां न चुकता हांवूय प्रेजेंट रावता आनी गोंयच्या म्हज्या साबार तरणाट्याक सांगता की मुद्दामून आमी सगळ्या जाणांनी हो कार्यक्रम पळोवचो. हाच्याच बरोबर म्हाका सांगता आसतना खूब खोस भोगता डॉक्टर अनिल काकोडकर हांच्या बरोबर हांव आतांच डिस्कशन्स करतालो. गोंय हें एकमेव राज्य अशें राज्य आसा ह्या बारकुल्या राज्यांत आमी जर पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार आमच्या खातीर सायंटिफीक नॉलेज दिवपी इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणाची इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स हांगासर एवेलेबल आसात. घडये कदाचित तुमी बरीचशी इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आजून पळोवंकूय ना आसतली. पोलार इन्स्टिट्यूट सायन्स एट वास्को, द नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द ओशनोग्राफी ज्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनांत आमी आज बसल्या, ICR एट ओल्ड गोवा, आयुष इन्स्टिट्यूट एट धारगळ, एट नॅशनल फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स एट प्रेजेंट एट कुट्टी, IIT campus at Famakudi, NIT campus at Kunkalim, National Water Sports Institute in Donapaul, GIM Institute in Sakli, BITS Pilani at Verna, हाज्या भायर नवीन इन्स्टिट्यूट सुरू जावपी MIT Institute in Thivi and Parul Institute in the Kepe and Ganpat University which is establishing for the coming years for the marine science. इतक्यो सगळ्यो इन्स्टिट्यूट गोंया सारकेल्या ह्या धाकल्याशा राज्यांत आमी हाचो बेनिफिट्स म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळ्यांनी घेवपाक जाय. आमचे फ्युचरिस्टीक जे सायंटिस्ट जावपाचे आसा तांच्यांनी घेवपाक जाय. म्हणून तर अशा पद्दतीचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, अशा पद्दतीच्यो डिफरंट इन्स्टिट्यूट्स म्हणजे थँक्स फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया, थँक्स फॉर द हॉनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी ज्यांच्या ह्या कार्यकाळात आमी ह्यो उरलेल्यो 4-5 इन्स्टिट्यूट्स हांगासर एस्टाब्लीश करपाक शकले. हॉनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर्स विजन इज ऑलवेज अबाउट द विकसीत भारत 2047 हे साकार करता आसतना ते सातत्यात इनोव्हेशन, टेक्नॉलॉजी, रिसर्च ह्या सॅक्टराचेर सातत्यात उलयता. आनी म्हणून तर तांच्यांनी सुरू केल्लो माय भारत हो पोर्टल, माय भारत ह्या पोर्टलाचेर जर तुमी वचून पळयशात जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की डिफरंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज वीच इज एवेलेबल फॉर द यंग मायंड्स आनी तांच्या खातीर ह्यो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज तुमी सगळ्या जाणांनी ग्रॅब करच्यो अश्यो म्हाका दिसता. हाच्या खासा सुवाळ्याचेर उलोवपा खातीर हांव मुद्दामून द सायन्स टुडे शेप्स ऑलमोस्ट द एवरी पार्ट ऑफ अवर लायफ्स, फ्रॉम हाव वी अंडरस्टँड नेचर टू हाव वी डिझायन सोल्युशन फॉर सोसायटी. द प्लॅटफॉर्म्स लायक मनोहर पर्रीकर विज्ञान महोत्सव रिमाइंड्स अस दॅट द सायन्स नॉट लिमिटेड टू टेक्स्ट बुक or laboratories. It begins with a curiosity and grows through questioning. Goa has contributed meaningful to India's scientific journey. We recall with the pride Goemkarponn, who is amongst us Dr. Anil Kakodkar, whose leadership strengthened the India's capability in the strategic and energy-related technology. He is also remember Dr. Raghunath Ananta Mashelkar, whose work connected the research and industry and the public purpose. Dr. Damodar Dharmananda Kosambi, and whose analytical approach reshaped thinking across the disciplines. The journey shows how scientific thinking can influence the society, the far beyond academic boundaries. To encourage the research and original thinkings amongst the young scientists, the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award, carrying the cash prize of Rs 5 lakhs, has been instituted. This award has been effect to value innovations and scientific excellence and to motivate the young researcher to pursue the rigorous and meaningful work. This year, we are honored to have the Dr. Sai Gautam Gopal Krishnan, the Associate Professor of the Indian Institute of the Science, Bengaluru, as the recipient of the Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Award 2025. Once again, congratulations to you. His work in the material science represents the focused research with real-world relevance. The scale of this year's Manohar Parrikar Mahotsav is encouraging. The 19 prominent scientists and engaging with the students across the 18 venues throughout Goa, and 4,500 students are participating, interacting with the ideas across the fundamental science, engineering, the life science, environmental studies, data science, artificial intelligence, health science, and emerging the interdisciplinary areas. One of the most valuable aspects of the Mahotsav is direct interactions. When the students listen to the scientists speak about their journey, the challenges faced, the experiment attempted, and the lesson learned since becoming relatable. Such conversations often spark new interest and help the students to see the research as an evolving the pursuits rather than fixed destinations. To the students present here today, I would like to say that the science move forward because of the some choose to ask the more questions. Do not hesitate to explore to face the uncertainty. The every efforts contributes to learning. The teachers and mentors, they play an important role in shaping the journey. By encouraging the critical thinking and experimentations, the educators helps the transforming the curiosity into capability. I extend my appreciation to all the teachers and who continue to guide the students towards the thoughtful and responsible inquiry. I also commend the Department of the Science and Technology and the Waste Management, and along with all the partners of the institutions for organizing this Mahotsav across the multiple venues and dedications of careful coordinations. Such initiatives will help us to ensure the scientific learning remaining accessible and engaging. As the Manohar Parrikar Vidnyan Mahotsav continues to grow to bring the forth an important idea that science belongs to everyone. When the knowledge is shared openly, discussed freely, it shapes to important citizen. I hope this 7th edition ignites the curiosity, encouraging the learning and inspire the students to pursue the experience in the chosen field. I wish this Mahotsav every success and adopts to leave the listened impressions for all who participates. Once again, my best wishes for all of you. Thank you, one and all.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.